We don't have 40 years to get it right, not when it comes to climate. And I think the urgency of now is what gives us this opening, this window of opportunity to take advantage of that. And universities can lead on this.
We need to make sure we bring all of the stakeholders to the table and then begin to work toward win-win solutions that are good for our planet and good for our communities.
We need extreme creativity, extreme collaboration, an extreme commitment to emissions reductions, and an extreme investment in knowing that we can choose and need to demand a better, more equitable tomorrow.